Welcome back. Okay, so let's see where we left off. We had a server on a rack connected to a PC. We're looking at the physical view as it stands. So I can pull back right here and you can see the PC is here. I moved it here. It used to be right here. So as you can see, you can move the PC to any room you want, okay? If you move it in the closet, it will not appear. Let me just go back in the closet right here. You can see it's not showing there unless you explicitly put a device in the closet. Let's do that. And let's go ahead and get a computer and put a PC right there in the closet. Now it's going to be PC 6. And notice now I have a table where that computer is on that in the same closet. Unfortunately, it's not connected, so it's just sitting here. And let's look at the logical view, and we could see that PC6 is logically here, but it's not connected to the server. Okay. Can we move this connection from PC3 to PC6 to the server? The answer is yes. So click on delete the connection. Oops. That was not what I wanted to delete. Here you go. Notice these two buttons here. It's good. If I made a mistake, you can undo. Okay. I want to click on the cable right here. And then put another cable. Let's do another crossover. Go from the server, fast Ethernet here, to this fast Ethernet. Okay. So that physically connects now the computer that's in the closet with the server. Now, in the logical view, you can't tell where this PC is and this one is, unless you write next to each one of them a label identifying which room they might be in. Let's go to the physical location. Notice now I still have my cable on the server. Let's go to the PC that is in the closet. Notice that it has a connection as well. If we expand out right here, geographically, notice that PC3 has no connection whatsoever with the equipment that's in here. So it's just sitting by itself. You can put it anywhere you want. Let's go back to the closet. These two are connected. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and disconnect. Again, from a logical point of view, you can disconnect in the physical. That's what I'm going to do next. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to take the delete and delete this connection. Connect these two computers together again. Let's go from fast Ethernet to fast Ethernet. Okay, we're good to go there. Perfect. So now let's go to the physical. You could see that PC6 is no longer connected. And if I step back, it's PC3 that's connected to the closet. Let's get back in here. Okay, and let me take the cable that's in here, right here, move it out. For that, I need a little bit better space on my screen. So what I'm going to do is zoom out just enough so I can see the ports. And I can take the cable here and move it to this port. Okay, it didn't move. Let me just do it right. There you go. Now it's in. Now, if I type R, that will be the regular view. And notice now PC6 is connected and the server is not. Well, let's see what that looks like logically. And there you have it. The two computers are now connected together while the server is not connected to any of them. So you can actually move these connections in the physical view as well. Okay, it's a little slow, but it is a way to simulate how you would do it in actually physically in the lab by disconnected manually an RJ45 interface connection into another one. Okay, so what else can we do here? To learn more about PacketTracer. Under Help, there are tutorials. So if you click here, notice that you get official PacketTracer tutorials. Then you can go through these to create some scenarios and see how some of these features work. Okay, we're going to be seeing a lot of these with our hands-on approach to our labs. So it's probably a good idea to go ahead and scan them and check them out, play with them. You don't need necessarily to remember every bit of it, but obviously as we get into a lab and we do something similar to what you have done, then the light bulb will click and then you'll see exactly what it was used for. Okay? All right, so I'll see you for the next lecture.